Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience, who would be curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account. Hi everyone, today we have with us Olga Shimoni, who is Associate Professor at the University of Technology, Sydney. Hi Olga, welcome to Meet the Curator podcast.
Good morning, Pranati. And it's afternoon in Sydney now.
Okay, wonderful to have you here. Could you please explain your research in simple words?
My passion and my research is in studies of implication of nanotechnology towards biomedical devices and implication of that particularly with emphasis on to identify diseases at early stages. From my point of view, the most promising potential of nanotechnology because it can very sensitively to diagnose diseases at very early stages. And the advantages of that, it's disease at early stage can be curable or efficiently treatable, reduced financial burden to individuals or healthcare, and as well as can create real-time health monitoring of the individuals. So nanotechnology, in my opinion, has a great impact in that sphere.
Okay, that is super interesting. Yeah, nanotechnology in biomedical and in trying to cure the diseases and also monitor the health. That is very interesting. What can the followers expect in the week that you're curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account?
Well, I want Twitter followers to have some fun and enjoy some fun facts about nanotechnology, and also to have some serious discussions about nanotechnology challenges, current perceptions in nanotechnology, and associated with human health, but also to have some polls and discussion about pros and cons on using nanotechnology in medicine.
We are already looking forward to it. Thank you very much, Olga, for speaking with us. See you on Twitter then.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.